I have an update in the case of KRISTIE Smith versus Discovery, OWN, Harpo, Kingdomreign Entertainment, and two of the ladies from Bell Collective. Let's talk about it. Thank you for joining me for this video. All commentary is alleged and in my very own opinion. Please don't forget to support the channel, like, share, and subscribe. In the United States District Court for the Southern District of Mississippi, Jackson Division, KRISTIE Smith versus Discovery Communications, LLC, Oprah Winfrey Network, Harpo, Kingdomreign Entertainment, LLC, Selena Johnson, and LATISHA PEARSON, defendants. First amended complaint and jury demand. Comes now plaintiff KRISTIE Smith, plaintiff, buying through counsel, and files his complaint against defendants. Discovery Communications, LLC, OWN, Harpo Incorporated, Kingdomreign Entertainment, LLC, and individual Selena Johnson and LATISHA Pearson, and states as follows. Introduction. Number 1. This lawsuit concerns the deliberate and unauthorized use of plaintiff's trademarked charitable messaging, personal identity, lived narrative, and professional persona for the purpose of commercial profit and televised entertainment. Plaintiff's mark, turning pain into purpose, has been continuously and publicly used in commerce since May 14, 2023, in connection with the Mariana K. Walker Foundation, a registered 501c3 nonprofit organization founded by plaintiff following the tragic loss of her son. Defendants intentionally incorporated plaintiff's charitable theme, identity markers, and narrative elements into programming broadcast nationally for profit, causing public confusion, brand illusion, reputational harm, and the misappropriation of plaintiff's identity and goodwill. The parties. Plaintiff KRISTIE Smith is an adult resident of Hinds County, Mississippi. Number 3, defendant Discovery Communications, LLC does business as OWN and distributes televised programming, including Bell Collective. Number 4, defendant Harpo Incorporated is involved in branding, development, and commercial exploitation of OWN programming. Number 5, defendant Kingdomreign Entertainment is the production company responsible for producing the program at issue. Number 6, defendants Selena Johnson and LATISHA Pearson are individuals who knowingly participated in the use and commercialization of plaintiff's identity and charitable mission without authorization. Jurisdiction and venue. This court has jurisdiction under 28 U.S.C. 1331 and 15 U.S.C. 1121. Number 8. Supplemental jurisdiction exists pursuant to 28 U.S.C. 1367 for state law claims. Number 9. Venue is proper pursuant to 28 U.S.C. 1391 because substantial acts occurred in this district. Facts. Number 10. Plaintiff founded the Mariana K. Walker Foundation on May 14, 2023, and began using the charitable tagline, turning pain into purpose, in interstate commerce immediately and continuously thereafter. The phrase functions as a brand identity associated with grief, recovery services, public programming, charitable outreach, and plaintiff's personal advocacy work. 11. Defendants were aware of plaintiff's charitable mission and public use of the mark prior to incorporating substantially similar branding and emotional narrative structure into their televised programming. Defendants did not seek collaboration, licensing, credit, or authorization. 12. Following the the broadcast of the program, plaintiff received multiple direct inquiries and messages from members of the public asking whether she was affiliated with or represented in the show, demonstrating actual consumer confusion and the false impression of association or endorsement. 13. Defendants' actions were intentional and performed for commercial gain through brand development, promotional value, advertising, revenue, and streaming distribution. Number 14. As a result, plaintiff suffered reputational harm, dilution of her charitable identity, emotional distress, and financial damages. Cause of action. Count 1, false designation of origins. 15, defendant's conduct constitutes unfair competition and false association under the Lanham Act. Count 2, common law trademark infringement. 16, plaintiff holds priority rights through first and continuous use in commerce. Count 3, trademark dilution. Number 17, defendant's acts diluted the distinctiveness of plaintiff's mark through blurring and reputational harm. Count 4, misappropriation of likeness, right of public publicity. Defendants used plaintiff's identity and narrative without consent for commercial benefit. Count 6, unjust enrichment. Defendants retain profits derived from plaintiff's identity and goodwill. Count 7, civil conspiracy. Defendants acted jointly and intentionally to commit the above unlawful acts. Count 8, injunctive relief. Plaintiffs seek to prohibit further use and require corrective public clarification of non-affiliation. Prayer for relief. Wherefore, plaintiff request any and all available legal and equitable relief, including injunctive relief, damages, disgorgement of profits, punitive damages, attorney's fees, costs, and corrective public clarification. Additionally, plaintiff demands a trial by jury on all issues so triable. Respectfully signed, the attorney of the plaintiff. And that is the end of the amended complaint.
Now that's all I have for this video. Please drop down in the comments and let me know what you think about KRISTIE Smith's case. Do you think she has a strong one? Drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Also, please don't forget to support the channel, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on those notifications because I will continue to follow this case and bring you updates. Have a beautiful day.